Hey guys, hello and welcome to my channel. This is a long video I'm making for my dear collector who love collecting this Hot Wheels and Majorette 1 into 64 diecast scale models. This video I'm making to compare between two companies, the Hot Wheels and the Majorette. Here I'm comparing the same car from two different brands. You can see this is Hot Wheels Nissan Z, and this one is also the same. This is from Majorette. This is somehow opening parts. I will unbox this one and also the Honda City Type R. I have also got the Hot Wheels one as well. So I will quickly go ahead and unbox all the four of them and show you the difference. So let me quickly unbox it, and the people who are new to my channel, I request them kindly go ahead and subscribe my channel so that I can bring you this kind of videos. So let me unbox it. This I have already unboxed. This one is Hot Wheels. So the comparison can only be done when I unbox this one. This looks really nice. This is from Majorette. Nowadays Majorette are coming up with extremely good models. You can see this is a bit pricey. It's $399 and this cost you $179. So somehow this has some opening parts. So let me unbox it for you. It's very simple to unbox it. Just let me show you how to unbox it. There's a trick to unbox this as well. Let me pull out so that I can softly unbox this and can preserve the package. Just remove this sticker, and over here you can look, it's a Honda official license. So just pull it up, and here comes the piece from Hot Wheels. So this one, guys, is from Majorette. It has opening parts. Okay, close this. You can see the car. Now let me compare it with this. You can see both the cars, the length of the Majorette one is quite longer. The Hot Wheels is quite shorter. If you can see the wheels, the spikes are quite visible, are quite nice actually, I can say. In Hot Wheels are simple tires. Both of them are very nice blue in color. If you can see the front of both the cars, the logo in Majorette is quite visible. The front one is quite visible. So let me zoom it up for you. It will be nice for you. Yeah, it's quite good now. So you can see the logo over here. This one is from Hot Wheels. The logo is quite visible. The sticker, the Honda logo is quite nice in this Hot Wheels. There is no back details. Generally Hot Wheels miss this kind of things. The back is simple, plain. Bottom is, it's plastic, but the color is very cool. The color is the blue color. You can see the Type R, Type D, the Honda logo is visible over here. So let me skip this and show you the Majorette one. Majorette one logo is also cool. The front light is acrylic. Actually it is not painted, but in the Hot Wheels it's painted. But over here you will find acrylic headlights. The wheels, the back details is quite good. You can see it's painted. The CIVIC Type R. The backlight is also painted in Majorette. You get the opening part over here. So guys, in both the cars the color is good, but the Majorette has quite an upper hand, but it's a bit pricey from Hot Wheels. Let me check. It has, yeah guys, it has got suspension in it, but this doesn't have. So both the cars look quite nice. So guys, go ahead and quickly subscribe the channel. This video is getting a bit longer, so what I will do, I will make another video for these two cars, the Nissan Z. So watch out for my next video. I have already unboxed this car. I will unbox this in the next video. So guys, thank you for watching the video. So I wish you luck in collecting this kind of models. So in this video, the Majorette wins. But what to say about Hot Wheels? We love Hot Wheels. Thank you guys once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Cheers.